Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu sakazendoda lesugogo bathini embatha umavula kuvala emzini wami yamadoda. U-Auntie Usha dating a spiritual partner. Yo, I don't know. I've spoken about this video. I did a video years ago talking about spiritual husbands, spiritual partners and everything. But there's somebody who kept on saying, Gogo, please do it. It's a lady from Namibia. She's just said, Gogo, I don't think you have emphasized on the danger to the T. And I challenged her. I was speaking to her yesterday. I said, Madam, what more do you want me to say about this topic? And she said, no, Gogo, you don't understand. You don't understand. Yes, Gogo, I'm not saying we are criticizing, but I think you have only spoken about the negative part of it, but you've never spoken about the positive part of it. And I said, hell no. Guys, how can I discuss or how can I praise, if I can use the word praising, or encouraging people to for their negative spirits not to be touched? Imagine if we were to do that. So, okay, it's fine, madam. As I've promised you, I'm going to do it. So, guys, all the followers of Gogo Bathini Mbatha TV, please look out for this video. It's loading, it's coming. We are going to discuss it because the madam said I need to go deep and deeper about it. So I am going to go deep, and it's not going to be nice for other people, and I know it's going to be comfortable for other people. However, let's discuss it so that people, they are aware. At the end of the day, all we want to do is to make sure that you are safe. But I'm scared. She the madam in Namibia, she actually like it was a wake-up call to remember everyone that came to consult with me who had the same problem. But I think I wasn't really asking the relevant questions to others. I was just taking it on a face value to say, no, it's fine. It's something that I can deal with. I have dealt with it, but not as way I'm going to deal with it now moving forward after the video that we're going to share with you.